Let's see how long it takes you. You gotta rip it.
Rip it.
Come on, pull it. Rest, rest, rest. Relax. Shake your horns out. Let's see how long. Let's see how long I gotta sit here and watch you try to get it. Come on. Let's see it. Almost. Oh, that was a little closer.
It's really hard.
Squeeze. Relax. Shake it off. Shake it off. Ready? Keep a tight stomach. Make sure you grab it right. Yeah, you got to grab it with your finger, just like that. Good. Put it down and let it rip. Put your back into it. Put your legs. Use your legs. Use your legs to push off that wheel. Oh, you got to go quick. Use your legs to push off the wheel. Oh!
Okay.
I want you to come over here on the concrete. Maybe that'll help. All right, now try it on the concrete. Use your legs to push off. Keep going, straight. Now turn it. Now turn it. Nope. Here you go, good. Down, turn. Good.